Yeah. Be seated.
Pratikya, take a chair. Please introduce yourself.
I am Pratikya Priyadarshini.
आराम से बसिकी एते तर्वा किछ नहीं आराम से
Yes.
feel comfortable like this.
I am Pratikya Priyadarshini. I have done my schooling from Radhakanta Girls High School, Modoga, Noyagarh. I have done my post 2 and graduation from Noyagarh Autonomous College, and then I have done my post graduation from Revenue University, Kottayam. Since then I am preparing for this.
Since then?
Since onward I am preparing for civil service.
Oh, good. Where are you staying here? Cuttack or Bhubaneswar?
I am staying in Noyagarh for the
But
center.
preparing, yes, no issue. Botany Thala PG.
Yes, sir.
You have not gone for PhD or anything?
No, sir. I have done post graduation. I had no plan to do even post graduation, but
Oh, but lastly you did it.
yes, sir.
But your
Out of-
primary aim for preparation of
Yes,
civil
sir. Yes,
service.
sir.
Oh, good. Very, very good. Are you aware about cytogenetics in botany?
Cyto means sec genetics.
What is that?
To study the genetics, nuclear DNA, RNA, and genetic, how the genes are transforming to one generation to another inside the cell.
Any idea about a good or a great scientist or Odisha scientist?
Botany, yes, sir. Dr. Pragakrishna Parija. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1955. Also, he had awarded the Order of British Empire in 1944. He had studied in Cambridge also, Cambridge University, and he was the member of First Legislative Assembly of Odisha.
What was his research finding for which
Yes, sir.
he could
He
get
had
such a
studied-
big,
Yes, sir.
big prize?
He had studied the plant, water. He has seen water weeds and the plant environment, morphology, and many studies he has done, and physiology, photosynthesis, the mechanism or the
Any fermentation of anything or any microbial? No. Anyway, do you believe that you can sustain the pressure while discharging as a civil servant?
Yes,
You'll be
sir.
posted. Kindly just keep some time with you. Let me complete my question, then you will say.
Okay, sir.
Suppose you will be posted to Fulwani district, it is a remote block at a night place. I mean, you are surrounded with a hard, let's say at night 10:30 or 11 o'clock, there is a huge law and order in vicinity of your areas or somewhere in that.
Yes, sir.
You have to proceed there, and police are interested for, they might be waiting there for your arrival, and you will be ordered as a executive magistrate. Government will say that so and so will be as a BDO and Tahsildar. They are supposed to be ordered as entrusted the power of magistracy there. Can you do that?
Sir, I couldn't get it.
Suppose you will be posted in a Fulwani or any Baliguda block.
Yes, sir.
To a distance from your block is suppose 100 kilometers. At late night you will be called as an executive magistrate. How you will go then?
I will go with my team, some subordinate staffs.
How? Subordinate will not be there. They might be there working there only to handle that law and order.
Anyone could be above. Not everyone, but anyone. If
There is a threat to the life of the women nowadays. Completely, law and order is not that safe. What you believe?
I could see I will see the situation if I can go or not. Otherwise, I can order, or I can say to my staff, some staffs to by call to go.
Pratikya.
Yes, sir.
There is no end to Pratikya.
Yes, sir.
So you have to break the Pratikya.
Yes, sir.
You can safely say that through my works, my honesty and my integrity, I can gain over the hearts of the people, and at the late night they are my protector.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The people around me, where I will be posted as a civil servant, they are my strength.
Yes,
What
sir.
police will do that?
Yes,
The women, men around me to whom I have delivered justice, they will come up.
yes, sir.
Nahi? Any women freedom fighter and men of Odisha, ठीक है कोई
Rama Devi and Magdi Chaudhary. Yes, sir. These are two famous. Saranga Das.
Men
Main Sorojin. Sorry, sir.
आराम से
Cool,
एते
cool.
हेस्टी लेबो दीटा बड़ बड़ एग्जाम दे के आसलेनी प्रीलिम्स मेन तोरबर लेकिन हो आराम रे
Right now, I can recognize Rama Devi and Maganda Chaudhary.
मेन रे गोपबंधु दास मधुसूदन दास
Women.
women और men कहले आ सुनि
Sorry,
तो हबो
Sorry, sir.
आपण रहि के सुनि देबे
Yes, sir.
कोन एग्जैक्टली पचरचुनी बोर्ड तापर आराम रे
Yes, sir.
बॉटनी साइंस स्टूडेंट सब कहि चलिबे
So, main Gopabandhu Das, Madhusudan, Kodangara Madhusudan Das, and Krishnachandra Gajapati, the
यस
king,
यस
and Navakrishna Chaudhary.
जड़े आमर जो ओडिशा राज्य ପାଇଁ जड़े जाइतिले लंडन रो गोटे जगह रे चली थिला बैठक सेटा को बैठक जोटी कि से रेज करथिले जो ओडिशा राज्य ପାଇଁ
I can guess that conference,
गोल टेबल राउंड टेबल
round-table conference.
हाँ।
Yes, sir.
किए जाइतिले
Krishnachandra Gajapati.
यस एमि डरी कहला भाईबा कोन हो
Sorry.
कॉन्फिडेंटली कहबे ना हो खाली आपण एडा बड़ ऑफिसर हेबे जिला चलेबे राज्य चलेबे डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ एनीथिंग माने बिलिटिल हेले हबनी स्ट्रेंथ रखियो ना हला आपण गां ओडो गां यदि कोजिम नयगढ़ फेमस फॉर व्हाट
Nayagarh famous for many reasons. One is the cuisine Chhenapodo. It's in tentative GI tag list and it is attracting tourists for Fatehgarh Ram Mandir. And
नयगढ़ पॉपुलेशन केते
sir,
केते स्क्वायर फुट हबो ए स्क्वायर किलोमीटर हबो दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट
sir, exactly I couldn't recall. I have gone through, but now.
केते एससी पॉपुलेशन केते एसटी पॉपुलेशन
Fact, I couldn't recall now.
जो विजी जी राम जी जोटा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कौन व्हाट इज दैट
That is the scheme, new scheme, replaced Monreg MG Norega scheme. It is to now, it is replaced Monrega to connect the rural employment with the India development, focus on development, and it has the
मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव कौन हो
objective to connect the rural employment, to give employment to rural laborers, and by which we can, it is target oriented.
Now
Indian,
it has extended to 125 man days.
yes sir,
सेटा आगो कहबे
Yes, sir.
125 दिन रो गारंटी
and pause,
एम्प्लॉयमेंट बा कामो
yes sir.
मिलिबो
There
सेटा
was,
कोहंतु
so there was 100,
अगर सेटा कोहंतु नहले असुविधा हिजो
yes sir,
डू यू नो जनधन कोन अछि
Chandhan to, yes sir, to banking awareness.
जीरो जीरो आपण अकाउंट रे किछि ठीक है सुनि दियो दागा जीरो टंका माने जीरो अकाउंट रे अकाउंट खोलिबाटा हला जनधन
Yes sir.
तापरे डीबीटी रे डायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर हो पैसा आपनकर 1 रुपी नथले भी अकाउंट आगे खोलाई पर नथिला
Yes, sir.
100 टका थिला केतबे 200 थिला केतबे 50 टका नाउटे जीरो माने किछि पैसा नथि अकाउंट खोलियो हला हला प्रतीक्षा में करबो सर
प्रतीक्षा
Yes sir.
गोटे
what do you mean by marital rape?
Marital rape means in a marriage, when the husband forcefully force a woman to be in a sexual relationship without her consent.
Okay, what is your personal view on marital rape?
I think it's wrong.
Wrong.
Yes sir.
अच्छा, so should it be criminalized? Crime बोली का डिक्लेयर करिया उचित ना नहीं.
Yes sir.
It should be a crime. Then if it is declared as a crime, it would affect severely the marriage relationship.
Yes sir. Yes.
तेणु लोक मैंने साहस करेनि तार मिसयूज हम मैरिज मैरिटल रेप मिसयूज हम
Yes.
साहस करेनि मैरिज करने सो व्हाट वुड बी इट्स रिपरक्यूशन ऑन सोसाइटी
Sir, there is a, you cannot say it is a various dimension in marital rape.
हाँ हाँ
There was not every time also it is the
कूल
complainant's right.
डाउन किसी नर्वस होनी व्यस्त नहीं
Yes, sir. So and also there is guideline that above 16 because 16 years it is considered as criminalized
No, no, so above 16 means, but below
is also
16 a girl cannot marry, na?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So that does not come any marital rape concept, because a girl of 16 year cannot marry anybody, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's all right. Pratiksha, you know, these days the present government is changing the name of different cities.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like Allahabad is known as Prayagraj and others. So, what is the justification of changing the name of certain cities? What are its merit? What are its demerit?
Sir, I don't find any reason. It is to back our culture or language, but but the demerit is we are so much acquainted with the name and and we are connected to emotion. So, also in the case of Revensa, it was there that Revensa should be renamed.
Changed.
But we are being Revensa and are so much connected to the name Revensa. It is
Okay.
now is
Okay, so you are a student of sociology. So, you have opted sociology optional in OPSC exam. So, who is father of Indian sociology?
G.S. Khure,
G.S. Ghure. What is his full name?
Gobind Sadasiv Khure.
Gobind Sadasiv Ghure. What is his contribution to sociology?
He has studied the caste system.
Hmm.
And
The famous book written by G.S. Ghure is?
sorry, sir.
All right. What do you mean by identity politics?
The politics based on to promote the own identity. Or
Like, my identity is Indian. I would promote Indianness, Indian nationalism. Will it be called identity politics?
no, sir. If no, I don't think so. Indian, but if someone is trying to promote his name or his personality, then it would
Okay.
be
Okay, suppose you took a wrong decision
yes, sir.
in administration by which life of many is saved. Would you feel happy to
Wrong
would
decision, but
wrong decision saved thousands of life? Will you take this type of wrong decision or not? If life of hundred and thousands are saved by your wrong decision,
sir, I think there is two way to conclude it that if intents there is two ethics.
क्या चिंता स्थिर है मस्तिष्क करते चिंता करो हाँ तरबर हो नहीं
कौन कोई जीवर अच्छी
Sorry, sir.
आराम से हाँ।
So if there's two type kind of ethics. If mean there could be mean it's wrong, but the result is good.
What is
Sometimes,
that?
It is a theory of. So I couldn't remember the name of philosopher, but there is two.
Teleology,
No, sir.
utilitarianism.
I have read in ethics.
Teleology, utilitarianism, deontology, what that approach is all about.
Yes, sir.
Na virtue, quote and about.
Okay, Pratiksha,
Yes, sir.
who is Karl Marx?
Marx was a thinker and sociologist.
Only sociologist, nothing else? What is his contribution to sociology?
He had given the theory of communism, capitalism in his book Das Kapital, and he had stated that the poverty can be ended by stopped by communism. If there
Communism or communalism?
communism. There is no private property. There is no upper class or ownership. So no one would be exploited, and everything would be good.
What is the difference between communism and communalism?
Communism means togetherness.
Communism means togetherness. Then communalism means?
Yes, sir. It is a good bonding in a community. Communalism is the conflict between religions, Hindu, Muslim.
Considering religion, in which matter considering religion is called communalism? Suppose in matter of giving education, I considered religion of the people. Is it communalism?
Communalism is a disagreement in education.
Okay, okay, thank you, Pratiksha, sir.
So Pratiksha, since you have done master in botany, right? What is the difference between GM crops, that means genetic modified,
Yes, sir.
and one is now it is so vocal that Cas9 technology?
Yes, sir.
What is the basic difference?
There is no difference. The Cas9 protein could be the subset of GM crops. GM crops made through genetic engineering, editing of genes, and Cas9 is an enzyme which cuts the segment of DNA. So we can cut the required segment of DNA, and we can input also another desired DNA segment or gene
Where?
to
In Cas9?
no sir, to in we want suppose the GM crops and GM mustard, we want to have a hybrid kind of mustard, new the desired trait in it, so we can transfer the required gene from other
Foreign body. So
body
you are saying-
and input inside it.
Then what is Cas9?
Cas9 is a protein enzyme. CRISPR-Cas9 is a enzyme
So that does what?
that could cut it's like a seizure in to cut the DNA or the enzymes. Sorry sir, I'm confused.
See, the basic difference is that in the GM crops we need to have the foreign body to be introduced
Yes sir.
to have the desired trait, as you mentioned.
Yes sir.
But here in Cas9 we will edit the existing one. So
Yes,
here no foreign body will be inserted.
Yes sir.
Though, right? Isn't it? Okay. So you are having sociology.
Yes sir.
Now, what do you mean by the cultural erosion? Do you think that globalization is the one of the major that factor for the cultural erosion of India?
It's one factor, yes. Suppose in a westernization of wearings, we is very much into the foreign wearings, westernization of our food. So we are so much into the foreign goods, foreign style. We are in now it's a Korean culture. Korean style is very much prevailing. So in this way, we are forgetting our own root of culture in that way. But I don't say that globalization is totally wrong, or if changes so for better, it's good. But we should need to keep our root with connection with the root of our culture.
आजकल बहुत न्यूज चलती क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स रेयर अर्थ काफी चलनी
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो डिफरेंस कौन है व्हाट इज क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स एंड व्हाट इज रेयर अर्थ
Rare earth material is it is very difficult to there is the very to explore, or it is very difficult process to explore the rare earth material. Critical mineral is like uranium. Both are sir like
डिफरेंट आई एम
Yes, sir.
आस्किंग व्हाट
Okay.
आराम से को किसी जल्दी नहीं क्वाड की बात नहीं
it is every critical mineral is the rare material, but every rare material is not critical.
so that means you are saying like all the money bills are all finance bills are money bill all money bills are not finance bill.
Sir, I read it now right now.
ठीक अच्छे देखिए देखो ମୁଁ କହିଦେଉଛି critical minerals are the minerals which is required for the development of the IoT.
Yes, sir.
But when it comes to rare earth, that does not mean this is rarely found. The thing is that the minerals which is highly scattered, they don't found in a concentrated way.
Yes.
So that is why this is difficult to
So
extract.
difficult. Yes, sir.
That doesn't mean this is rarely found. They are abundant, means
So
relatively
difficult to
abundant.
extract. Yes, sir.
Difficult to extract ଅର୍ଥାତ ଭାଇ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ concentrated ମିଳୁନି ନା ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରବ୍ଲେମ ତା ଅର୍ଥ ନୁହେଁ କି 300 ମିଟର ତଳେ ମିଳୁଛି 3000 ମିଟର ତଳେ ମିଳୁଛି ଯେମିତିକି ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ସେଲ୍ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍
Yes.
extraction ପାଇଁ difficult ହେଉଛି because of the depthness. Okay. Recently ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗୋଟେ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟରେ ଲିଥିୟମ ରିଜର୍ଭ ମିଳିଛି କୋଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
Sorry, sir. I have read it.
ତମ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତମକୁ ପଚରାଗଲା ହଁ ହଉ ये काफी न्यूज ଥିଲା प्रेसिडेंट रेफरेंस प्रेसिडेंटल रेफरेंस
Recent
आर्टिकल
news?
हाँ काफी न्यूज ଥିଲେ ना प्रेसिडेंटल रेफरेंस आफ्टर 142 ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲା ତମର है ना तो ସେତେବେଳେ कंप्लीट जस्टिस ଯେତେବେଳେ କରାଗଲା तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट यूज करते ना 142 फॉर द कंप्लीट जस्टिस बोली कि
Sir.
तो ताकू पुणी प्रेसिडेंट रेफरेंस करागला आर्टिकल 143 को यूज करिकी ସେଥିରେ କୁହାଗଲା କି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣରକୁ କହିଥିଲେ ନା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ସେ କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ କି 3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆସେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ନ ଦେଲେ ସେଟା ବାଇ ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କୁଡ୍ ବି ୟୁଜ୍ ଟୁ ବି ପାସ୍ ସେଟା ପାସ୍ वी विल अज्यूम सो हाउ डू यू सी दिस सो प्रेसिडेंट रेफरेंस କ'ଣ ଥାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ପ୍ରେସିडेंट रेफरेंस କରନ୍ତି
Sorry, sir.
ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟର ଜଜେସ୍ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ବଢ଼ିଛି
What is war?
କେବେ ପଢ଼ିବ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର ଚାଲିଛି ଆଉ ପଢ଼ିବ କ'ଣ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ What is the status of Maoism in Odisha?
It is declared, it's good improving. Now it is declared Maoist free.
Maoist free.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
चलो ऑल द बेस्ट प्रतीक्षा
Thank you, sir.
चलो
धीरे धीरे टिके झियो कुह 4-5 सेकेंड लगी पॉज दियो हला आंसर न सरिया पूर्व पैनलिस्ट कहि दउछ नै सेटा म सरी कहर नै माने सेटा तमर इंप्रूवमेंट लागि म सजेस्ट करूची तरवर होनी किछि कोन अछि सब प्रश्न रो उत्तर दवा दरकार
कोन कहूतिलो कोन रहि गेलो कोन
कोई इम्प्रूव करार अछि
से
सब तो भलो अछि आउ टे
तरबर हे जाउछ तर टिके होनी सेटा ही सबटु बड़ इंप्रूवमेंट
आउ टे
सजेस्ट
पढि देबे सब गुडा
हला
गवर्नमेंट स्कीम गुडा को
यस सर जो ये क्रिटिकल मिलना घटा पढ़ी छि किंतु ई टाइम रे
हां से मन तरबर
से
हे
जो
जाउछ
कहली पूरा अथॉरिटी थोड़ी के देखि देबे
हां
या
किछि
मैं पचारलु जे सेटा की बे आसीबो तो अभी नहीं आपण सब गुडा रैंडम टिकट पढि देबे
नजर पके दे
आ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम टा जाले पचरेबे
सर ओडिसा इंडिया बोर्ड
एवढी इंडिया मनरेगा से हमको आयुष्मान भारत से हमको सुभद्रा से परंपरागत कृषि विकास योजना
सर
से कृषि इंश्योरेंस स्कीम
यस सर
हमको
सर वाज ए कॉन्फिडेंट
पूरा किछि असुविधा नहीं
स्पीच हाई कर अछि
आटी कले भलो आटी वॉइस रे कहबे
यस सर थैंक यू
धीरे कहबाटा टिके दरकार विश यू ऑल द
सुनी
बेस्ट
गेते तरबर कोन
तरबर जो हबदा
तो मा थिले से देखि थांदे सी कहथांदे एते तरबर कई होछ टाइम अछि आराम रे कहबे
सेमती उन्हें चेंज
नहीं से नेचर चेंज हो भाई बेटा आपण सुनिबे
चेंज कर चाहू
कु काम ही की कहबे नले कहबाटा भूल लई
पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट ना एटा कोन क्वेश्चन आंसर टेस्ट
Kung is a thorough रही जो
ना ना ना
उन्हें नेचुरल सेमती चाहू ट्राई कर चलू हठात सेटा
ओहो अच्छा
हला हला
केबे
ताको
अछि
टिके
interview?
17
अच्छे टाइम अछि तो टे जगिबे कहला बेटे जगी कहबे थैंक यू
सोशल क्वेश्चन पचार थे जो
कोन पचारथिले क्वेश्चन सोशियोलॉजी फादर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी पचारथिले कहि दले गोविंद सदाशिव घिउरे कंट्रीब्यूशन तंकर इंडोलॉजी प्रति कंट्रीब्यूशन कहि चंती आ सोशल कार्ल मार्क्स कथा टिके आ भल रे कहि पारथा
अब टिके एक्सप्लेन कर पा
कार्ल मार्क्स इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज फादर ऑफ कम्युनिज्म तंकर कंट्रीब्यूशन कोन थ्योरी ऑफ क्लास एंड क्लास स्ट्रगल डायलेक्टिकल मटेरियलिज्म हिस्टोरिकल मटेरियलिज्म हां से सब कहितो सेठी जे सोशियोलॉजी अच्छी बोली पचारी एमती किछि माने नाही जहां
हमरा
नाही
जानि जेंदी कहले कोन की अपन टाइम कवर रह गेला सेटा अपन ज्ञान रे गेला अज्ञान नहीं तेणु सेटा कहबे भलो
टिके अधिया कहि दले
ए जानिबे जे इम्पोर्टेंट सी नोज
सर मैरिटल रेप विषय
marital rape कहिवार अछि what is marital rape is a phenomenon by which obviously a husband is establishing sexual union with wife without taking the consent of the wife. So what is your view? Obviously it is a contentious issue. I personally think it should be declared as criminal activity or should not be. जहाँ गोटे stand धरिबे कोन अछि
कोठी तुम आप पूर्व देइछो कोठी इंटरव्यू
यस सर
कोन कहले से माने
फास्ट वर्ष पूरा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट आई कांटेक्ट हो नहीं सब कहते तापर टिके टिके आस्ते आस्ते
आउ दे दियंतु
एटा सेकंड अटेम्प्ट
एटा मॉक इंटरव्यू पीएससी
नहीं
नहीं
UPSC
ओपीएससी
एटा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू
First attempt.
अटेम्प्ट टू 6th
नहीं सीख तो किसी असुविधा
सेकंड
नहीं
मेन एटा माने
एटा
सेकंड
फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू से था
तो सेकंड मेन नहीं थिला
हां वो प्री हम अटकी जाए
ओहो
ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ठीक है ठीक है
ତାପରେ ଯଦି random exam ଦେଇ ଦେଇକା
ऑल द बेस्ट
थैंक यू सर
ऑल द बेस्ट
खाली तरबर स्लो चलो आराम रे दबो इते को एग्जाम प्रीलिम मेंस ला 10 मिनिट रो काम
किछि
सरले
नाही
ये ऑल
भलो
एनडीओ पर सर ओवर हैला
बस